I'm Jeanette Lagunzad from TM3A. The World Tourism Organization defines sustainable tourism as tourism that takes full account of its current and future economic, social, and environmental impacts, addressing the needs of visitors, industry and environment, and host communities. Sustainable tourism has terminologies minimizes environmental impact, benefits local communities, and preserve cultural heritage. Ecotourism focuses on conservation, while carrying capacity limits visitors' numbers. Greenwashing involves false sustainability claims. Community-based tourism or CBT ensures local benefits. Responsible tourism promotes ethical travel, and cultural heritage tourism highlights historical sites, and carbon footprint measures travel's impact. Low-impact tourism aims to reduce it, and geotourism protects geological features. Sustainable tourism development involves principles such as environmental sustainability to minimize ecological impact, social cultural sustainability to respect local cultures, and economic sustainability to ensure long-term viability.